My name is Fahri. I'm coming from Turkey with a company of Dalgakran compressor. We are a manufacturer of air compressors, and we are supplying EPC sector the air compressors needed in their plants. And apart from the material, we can also give commissioning services, after sales services, training services, and also we can supply engineering and documentation services apart from our material supply.
Okay, perfect. And what's the main reason you came to visit this event?
I'm personally responsible for the EPC projects in the company. We want to catch up with the updates, the latest of the EPC sector, and also we wish to widen our network here, our customer network. Also, we try to meet new people, new companies, because this type of events are very helpful to meet new people around the world.
Yes.
Of course, we have a base partner organization, a customer organization, but it's always very important to reach out to new people. New opportunities.
Definitely, yes, of course. And did you met some interesting people here?
Yes, definitely. It was very helpful for me. Even it's only a second day. I already met a lot of people here and create good.
So the presentation so far meet your expectations?
There are a lot of topics. They are not focusing on one point maybe, so it's very helpful to see different aspects of the sector. So far it was very helpful, very good.
Yeah. So everything is fine so far?
Yes, foods are perfect.
The food is perfect. You like
drinks
the
are
venue?
perfect. Venue is perfect. City is perfect. Weather is not so much.
Okay, well that sounds excellent. Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for the interview.
Thank you.